Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this amazing product. This is the biggest cigar humidor I've seen, and this is from LIHTUN. 35-liter electric cigar humidor cabinet with lights for 250 cigars. So let's check this out. So we're going to concentrate this part first. This is to raise and lower the temperature. That's the light on and off. If you hold on to it, right now it's Celsius, but for me it's Fahrenheit. I want 71% humidity inside. I want the temperature to be 70. It's whatever you want. It's precision designed electric cigar cabinet. It's like a refrigerator. You have to plug it in. So nice. It has a handle. You can open it like a refrigerator. The fan is running. It has a ventilation slots. It comes with a hidden handle. User manual. This actually has a key so you can lock it up. See right here. You can lock this up. See? I turned it. Now it is locked. Unlocked it. Very nice. This is the rear. In the back, it has an external drain pan, so you can remove some moisture from there. Rail system, when you open it, look at this. In here, there's 4 slots, and it has an internal water tray. So in there, look at this. Minimum, maximum. So you can put some liquid distilled water to keep the moisture level going. It has a thermoelectric chip control, active air circulation fan, right there it's running, and low noise operation is less than 36 decibels. The water tray, 100 milliliters of water reservoir. Beautiful LED viewing system, easily view your cigars without opening the humidor, and with the light button. We can store all these cigars. I can put some more expensive cigars here. All these slots so it doesn't roll around, and the top one for the guest, the bottom one for smoking it later, like that. You can store up to 250 cigars. It's natural cedar wood drawers. It smells so good with the cedar wood. Wood rails inside the cabinets. Tray can be freely adjusted or removed. Perfect for storing both cigars and wine. So it removes odor, boosting cigar flavor, warmth protection, and moisture retention. Weight is 31 pounds. The dimension is 21.6 inches. The depth is 19.5. The length is 10.2 inches. The tray is 1.18, 1.18, 2.8, and 2.8. The length of all of it is 7.17, and the depth is 11.89. So you can store almost all cigars and a lot of the wines in here. This is double layered glass door, anti-glare, designed to protect cigar quality. So there's outside tempered glass and inside tempered glass. Seal perfect, just like a refrigerator. Ultra quiet, less than 36 decibels. Amber LED lighting for warm, very inviting light, and built-in security lock. How to set the temperature and humidity. So press the power button until the temperature display flashes like this. And then find the temperature, the right temperature. Let's say 61 inside. Then hit it again. Then you can set the humidity. Humidity, I like to set it at 69 or 70. You can also calibrate the temperature and humidity. Long press both the decrease button and the light button together like this. Okay, then it will turn into the admin mode. Press the light button until it turns to P5. P5 is to adjust the temperature. +2, -2, -3, so you can adjust from the current temperature. Hit the light button again to P6. This is to control the humidity. Down, up, minus. You can find that out using a digital hygrometer inside. This is an incredible electric cigar humidor. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.